What's up, guys? Look what Milwaukee was kind enough to send to me for a review. I know you've seen reviews on things before, but tell me this. Have you ever seen it done in the back of a CJ7? I think not, but maybe. Seems like everybody's going to the 40 volt. I hope the M18 Chainsaw stacks up to those. Be a great addition to the Jeep. Then I can carry my other tools with me and not have to have two chargers and all that. Brushless, REDLINK Plus intelligence, and it's got a HD 12.0 battery pack. Damn, that's where it's getting its power. Let's open this bad boy up. Nice. I guess they had to update these chargers with the higher capacity batteries. That's what I've heard. Wow, look at that. That's a battery. Holy cow. Let's get this baby charged up. Pretty excited. Milwaukee. Definitely gonna need a charge. Wow, that's a big battery. Here's the biggest battery I own right here. There's the difference. Oh my god. Let's plug it in. Let this charge while I check out the rest of the saw. Huh, looks like I was supposed to go from the other end to start with. Silly me. Comes with a user's manual. Multilingual for the charger and the saw. Comes with a book of all their stuff. I want to get their soldering iron next. Smaller batteries will fit. I'm sure they're not going to last. Do I like Milwaukee tools? What do you think? Do I own professional chainsaws? What do you think? Wow, it's actually a pretty compact design. They use their own brand bar. Thin kerf. It's loose. Just like any other chainsaw, when you tighten it up, you make sure the bar is pushed up, and that's pretty good there. I just want to tighten that up a little more. Huh, you know what I didn't notice? If there was a little tool kit. Yeah, these are a little loose. Let's put a little bar oil in here. Absolutely. I usually hold it up against a log and make sure that the oil's flinging off the chain very slightly. It's nice it has that little plastic piece. You can see when it's getting full, plus you don't lose your little cover here. Got a nice O-ring. There's a nice little oil level there. That's pretty big. Safety brake for the chain. Alright. Looks like something's missing there. Well, there's the toolkit right there, right in the handle. And that's why you're supposed to read the instructions that come with it. Which I was going to do as the battery charges. Hole so you can hang it on the wall. There's your lock and unlock. Direction of chain. Definitely not a toy. Keep that on if you're going to pull. If you're going to be handling this thing. Those are razor sharp. What's that little car? Oh. It's a tooth. It's one of these. Car. Silly boy. Have to see what it feels like with the battery in it. I use my chainsaw in my Jeep a lot. It saved the day many times on the trails. I would love to replace that Harbor Freight with this one if it all works out. Looking at the size of that battery, it just might. It claims up to 150 cuts per charge. That's a lot of cuts. How big it cuts? I don't know. I would hope they would give you 3 or 4 inches at least. Now I have an inverter in my Jeep, and this is going to draw 2.35 amps at 120 volts, so probably need at least a 500 watt. I got a 700. Should be good. Let's see how this fits in the back of my Jeep. My other saw fit right here. Pretty good. Oh yeah, look at that. Maybe Milwaukee will make a nice case for this. Hint, hint. Better than nothing. Don't mind these. Now let's see it in action. Time to check out how long this thing's gonna cut on the battery. It's full. I actually used this once. Did about 10 cuts in Pennsylvania. Of course, my video glasses died. Wear protective equipment, absolutely. These have been sitting here a while. These are kind of big too, so let's see how it does. Wow, I am impressed with the power. How much battery's left?
Half.
Jeez, half. It's crazy. That's a lot of wood cut.
Yeah.
And it's big wood.
Yeah, it's not even that heavy.
That's rotten. A little crooked.
What?
It's big.
Yeah.
That's why the bar was cut and tip. Wasn't all the way through. To finish it. Oh, it finally died?
Yeah.
Woo! And that was a big friggin' tree there. I'm impressed. You?
Yeah.
Holy
Jeez.
cow, that was a long time. Wow. I was actually truly overly impressed. Way beyond my imagination of what this saw could do. It will literally replace a gas saw. As you can see, I used professional saws in the past. I have professional saws. I've used a few different type of battery chainsaws. This is by far the best that I've used yet. As for now, this is way, way better than anything else that I've seen on the market. But I guess I'll have to do some reviews on other saws. I have a comparison of 3 different types of saws coming up in one of my next videos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.